Hey, it's Rachel at Alicia, and this is what we're wearing. And today we're talking packing. I am not a light packer. I leave for the gym with extra outfits and extra shoes because of who I am as a person. And if you're wired like me, you may be thinking this is something that I'm going to tell you that we need to change about ourselves. And I'm not going to tell you that. I'm going to say instead, let's work with how we're wired and use kind of our overpacking to our ability to pack a little bit lighter, but make outfits that we want to wear on vacation, like fun and versatile and all those things. Because I will say part of the reason that I know that I overpack, for one thing, if I think I'm going to shoot for the blog, or if I'm shooting for the blog on the trip, be it a work trip or a vacation, I always kind of think of the blog outfit separately. And part of it is because I don't want to get them dirty before I shoot, and if they're pressed and all those things. So I sometimes will take like a whole separate wardrobe with me. Another reason is I'm the eternal optimist. I just really am. I love having options, and I love thinking to myself, like, what if something happens? Like, what if George Clooney is there to profess his love for me? I need something to wear. And I'm trying to get that out of that mindset, but hope springs eternal, my friends. Hope springs eternal. So what I've done this time is I'm going on a very short, we're talking like 2.5 day trip with my family to see some wineries, to see some museums, to kind of just be with each other after this whole year, right? I have made a list of not only our itinerary, but our outfits. And even when I am like packing for huge trips, I do this because if there is opportunity, because I know someone is going to say you could take one pair of shorts or skirt and mix and match tops, and you could. But a lot of times when I see the itinerary, I think of fun outfits that I want to wear to that. And even if I'm traveling, I want to give myself the freedom to enjoy fashion and tell the stories I want to tell, right? But when I write them all out, it gives me a chance, to see if there is an opportunity to mix and match, what I can use opportunity-wise. If, like I have a couple dresses that can also be tops, like if that's a thing. But for example, when I made this list, there was a pair of pants that I wanted to make sure I tried on before I went. And they were just tight enough. Like if we were staying home, no biggie. On the road, on a schedule that is not my own, eating things that I have no control over, I didn't want to be in too tight pants. So I switched out some outfits for myself. But it's really also because I'm forgetful, that this way, as I go through, I can mark things off and make sure I don't forget anything. I am the girl who has had to buy unmentionables and pajamas on the road. That's me. So I have my list, and in my bag I already have my running shoes, because I am going to work out when we're gone, because it makes me feel better, but it also is just like kind of a meditation, and when I'm off my schedule, it's best for me. So I have my running shoes in here, a couple workout outfits, my pajamas, sweater, and socks because I tend to get cold. And my running clothes are all bike shorts. And I chose the one with the little pockets, because of, that's a little bit of trash, the hotel keys, but also if I happen to need an extra outfit, all of a sudden it's bike short season, I can just throw these on, right? Right. Easy peasy. Now let's get to the fun stuff, right? So tomorrow we are leaving. We are going to stop by a winery, not on a winery. We're going to stop by a winery and then go on to our destination and maybe see some museums, grab a dinner, all that sort of stuff. And so I'm going to wear one of my Mrs. Emily skirts, which is so cute in pink, with a cute little linen pink crop top that you've seen before. One thing that I think is important when you're traveling is to wear things that you know are going to be comfortable. For example, not pants that are just a smidge tight. You want things that will move with you. You don't know what kind of day you're going to have. So this is one of my traveling outfits, and I'm going to wear cute wedges with it. I'm excited. It'll be nice and bright. The next day we are going, I put my stuff in the wrong order. Oh, it's here. Sorry guys. The next day we're going to go to more wineries and maybe another museum, and I'm bringing the pink pants, they're linen, that match the top that I'm going to wear. So if I need to mix and match, I can. And if I decide that I want to be one set on a Wednesday, or if I decide that I want to wear that to dinner or something like that. But I'm bringing then a cute little chambray top to wear with these. Of course, these have been pressed, but it's linen. They're going to wrinkle, and the hotel has an iron. So there's that. So that also gives me some dinner options. And then on Thursday when we come home, we are going to again stop by our winery and a wildflower like thing. And I wanted to shoot this little short set, which is shorts and then a top at the wildflowers for the blog, which is new for me. I normally do not wear blog clothes as an outfit, but A, we're traveling, so I need to. But B, then it cuts down on the amount of things I have in my bag. So I'm going to throw these in, and that's about it. Now, around this time, I am personally like, oh my gosh, am I taking enough? I need 2 more outfits. And I don't. What I am going to do to kind of assuage that feeling in me, because, you know, I've planned everything out with wedges and a purse, I'm going to bring a pair of flat sandals just in case the wedges get to be too much, or, you know, I want to change my shoes. And I'm also going to throw in a little chambray button down, because that will go with both the pink pants, it will go with my Mrs. Emily skirt, and it would go with those shorts. So that gives me another outfit. It would also go with my bike shorts if I needed to wear that. So that's it, guys. I'm really impressed. I know that you could probably pack lighter, but A, first of all, there's so much room in here. And for me, this is really, really good. So I'm excited. I'm excited to show you pictures of my trip, and I'm excited to